My uncle's got a ride that turns every head. 39 Ford Deluxe, 4 doors painted red, no wait. Bright green, shine like a summer lime. He calls it Slimer, it's one of a kind. Chrome bumpers glint when the sun comes up. Engine purrs like it's had enough of sitting still in a garage all day, waiting for the road to lead the way. Slimer's cruise, we roll down the street. Green paint glowing, can't be beat. Wind in our hair, radio loud. My uncle's old Ford makes the whole town proud. Polishes the fenders every Saturday night. Says that car's his first true light. Scuffed up seats with a story to tell. Every scratch is a memory he won't sell. Headlights cut through the dust-off haze. We'll drive till we hit the county's edge these days. No destination, just open road. Slimer's got us in its hole. Slimer's cruise, we roll through the town. Green glow shining, never slowing down. Laps in the air, miles behind. That old Ford's more than just a find. He bought it back when he was just a kid. Fixed every dent, did every bit. Now it's alright, our little escape. Slimer's love will never replace. Slimer's cruise, we roll under the sun. Green paint glowing, second to none. Memories made, miles to go. That old Ford's got a long way to grow. Slimer's glow fades with the day, but